How to translate any app or screen in real time using your phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate any app or screen in real time using your phone. Whether you're browsing a foreign website, using an app in another language, or reading menus or messages, this method works smoothly and fast. Let's get into it. First, take a screenshot of the screen or app you want to translate. Now open the Photos app and tap on the screenshot you just took. If text is detected, you'll see small yellow brackets around it. Simply press and hold on the text and it will highlight automatically. Once the text is selected, then tap Translate from the menu that appears. Your phone will instantly detect the language and give you the translation right below the original text. You can also choose to copy, share, or look up the translated content. This works perfectly with app interfaces, web pages, or even signs and documents you've snapped a picture of. It's simple, fast, and doesn't require any third-party apps. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more phone tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. That's all for the video.